Hey everybody, it is Dan with Alpha Traders, or DP as they know me. Back here, had a little internet trouble last night, so thought we'd get some catch-up videos here. As we look at futures here, it is currently 12:07. Got to stay up late around here, get stuff done. So, a couple things come to mind from today's session. Two, it was super up and down. So, I mean, it got you both ways. You actually could look at it positively and said if you were a bear, you won, and if you were a bull, you won. So hopefully you did some winning. We did some winning for sure. But looking at daily here, ES, I mean, it's under the 200 EMA at 44.04 currently. It did pop above it a couple times, and then right at close, it really started to push above as well. As of right now, all the volume's under the 200. And again, I don't trade the 200. It's just a good point of reference. Today we had the pivot of 43.82. And if we can go the 5-minute here, we can see why 43.82 was super important. It's literally the middle ground of where things break down and where they pop. I mean, you see the bounce. Here's the open. Where's the open at here? 8:30. Here you go. Straight over 43.82. That was this here. Zoom popped back up. We actually had the profit taking at 44.04, 44.10. Worked out pretty much to a T. And then comes all the way back down to where? 43.82. You got a nice 20-point move here. You got the pop back up after it bounced. And then under 43.82, you could have kept going with your short. And then into the afternoon time, it soared back up and then came back down. I mean, this is tough. I'll be honest with you. The market the last 3 weeks has been more. You got to take your profits right away. I feel bad for pattern day trader people that sitting on their three trades. They don't either know any better or don't know what to do. Obviously, you should get a cash account, as I've said before. Get off margin. If that's the case, you're better off just playing straight with your own cash and not having to worry about that. But regardless, we're starting to flatline here. Excuse me. We're starting to flatline here, and it's literally this tug of war here into Globex. Where it's going to go. I would like to think tomorrow morning it does this right here. As you can see, all of this through here probably goes down, most likely. You'd say, oh, it goes down probably. But I think, honestly, for me, I'm going to have to make a decision in the morning and see what Europe does. Because I think, ultimately, you can get back up to, if we can get off this here real quick. There we are. If you could get back to 44.11, obviously you're going to run right into this, this supply right here. But you could probably see 44.27 tomorrow. I saw an order flow pivot about 44.26, 44.28, somewhere in there. That might be really good for tomorrow. But on the daily, we're seeing that it's either a basing technique. This is what they like to do. They like to sit here and base with you. Some of you will say, people that love charts will say this is a cup and this is a handle. This is a very extended handle that's popping out. You could also say, if you want to draw arbitrary lines, that this is almost a broadening descending wedge, you could say. I wish it was a lot tighter. Again, I don't really trade all this stuff. You can fake it if you want and go like that. And this would obviously resolve to the upside, which is 4,600 or so. Just so you know, I still have my target of 5,000 for the summer. I think it comes in Q3. I don't think it comes in Q2, but I do think we're basing here for a move. Ultimately to the upside. So just something to think about with some levels, and we'll see where it goes tomorrow. Whatever it is, if you do have a good play, take the money. You can come back to it later. This market is very up and down, and very much so take what you can. If you look at the 4 hour, that's a pretty good area here. Guess I should probably touch that, huh? You can see all that. So we'll see how it goes. AlphaTraders.com. We'll be back tomorrow with some more good stuff. I'll go over a couple more videos, upload, and then we'll go from there.